guys, welcome back to my channel, Golden Honey. And today we're going to do an unboxing of my very first personal laptop called the HP Envy laptop. Looks like this. Okay. This is how it looks on the back. Okay, it has a little description on the side here of the laptop. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Oh, by the way, I did open this box ahead of time because I did not get this from my local area. I had to travel like 45 miles away and get it from a warehouse, so I did open it ahead of time to check for any damages before I left, go home, because I'm not going to accept it as is if it opened up and was damaged. So it's open. So here we go. First off, we have the setup instructions here, the warranty, and questions about the laptop. Okay. Come with styrofoam here. A little box on the side. That's what this is. Picture this is the parts. There it is. It is the AC adapter. Card to go with it, power parts. Okay. With the styrofoam. Isn't that good? Okay. We have the laptop here. Ooh. A little heavy, but not too heavy. I think it was probably about 6 pounds, or a little more than that, not close to that now. Okay. Nothing else in the box. That's okay. Under it. Well, nothing in there. Okay. 4. So this is the Envy laptop right here. Comes in plastic. Wrapped pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay. It's nice. Oh, look at the design. That's Envy right there. Okay, nice silver lining. The back. Got the these are ventilation, like the fan. Keep it cool. Go ahead and open it. Alrighty. The screen. There's a screen protector here. Okay. That's how it looks. Okay. We have the power button here on the front. The speakers right here. The touchscreen pad. This is also a touchscreen computer. Multi-screen enabled. Okay. Nice keyboard. I think it's the island set design for the keyboard. Alright, on the sides, here we have the cable security slots, your internet jack port here. If you are not going wireless, you can insert your internet card here. You have your HDMI port, your 2 USB ports, and you have a USB-C type port here. And you got your headphone and microphone little slot right there. Okay. And on the other side, you have the optimum drive with the eject button right here. And another USB port here. And the AC adapter power port goes right here. For the plug, you can call it. And the processor and graphics with this laptop is the Intel Core, and the NVIDIA, the GeForce computer programming, which also comes with a 1 terabyte on your hard drive and about 1.8 gigahertz speed. You know, it's not really super fast, but it's fast enough. It's like half a nanosecond, something like that. So also with the Microsoft Office systems also in here, and the battery life must be pretty decent. So if you're like trying to go like 50% of the way, if you start from 0 battery, about 45 minutes, it should be halfway charged. So that's pretty decent. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh, it also has the infrared camera on here as well. And that's about it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna come back with a review on this laptop and tell you what I liked about it and what I didn't like. And don't forget to share this video and comment down below. Bye.